Hello everyone. Today you are going to do the same thing you did yesterday. Like I said in your instruction video yesterday, you're going to be doing activity logs all this week. So it says the same thing. I'm encouraging you guys to do more at home to stay healthy and fit. And you've already read this. You know that could mean walking to the mailbox, walking the dog, or doing exercise on your own. So you're going to write down whatever activity you did for Monday night here, and then you're going to tell me how long it was or how many times that you did whatever it is that you choose as your activity. So, and I said yesterday if you wanted to actually do some of the exercises from the YouTube video yesterday, you can just write, I did the YouTube exercise video, and then write how long you did. You might not have done the whole video, whatever you want to do. And just make sure I get an activity and either how long you did it, whether that be up to 1 minute or 5 minutes, whatever. Or if you choose to write, I played basketball, and let's say you played basketball a couple times last night, you can say, I played basketball 2 times last night, or during a day, or however you want to put it. And then you're going to write your brief summary or review on the YouTube video. And like I said, it needs to be 3 to 4 sentences in order to receive full credit. So if you watch the video and you write, this video is cool, I like it, you're not going to get credit at all. You're going to receive a 0. So 3 to 4 full sentences. Your video today is of this guy. They call him the body coach. As you can see down here, he gets a lot of views. He makes a lot of different exercise videos for kids of different ages. He is Australian, so he's going to have an accent. And it's only 5 minutes and 49 seconds long. So just go through it and watch it, and come back to your log. And you can write what exercises he did, how many times did he take a break, what muscle groups do you think he's working out, or you can even write about what components of fitness that deal with this video. So, is there muscular endurance, flexibility, muscular strength, whatever, those type of things. Is he using coordination and agility? So whatever you decide on how to review this video, just make sure it is 3 to 4 sentences, and make sure it's down here so I can see, and submit your document when you are finished, and remember to take attendance for the day. Email me if you have any questions.